Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name: yellow color, blue color, black color, red color, green color, white color. Kids now eye coloring ABC and 1 to 3. Kids first draw A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use yellow color, the alphabets of A. Kids again use yellow color and draw B for ball, B for bat. Kids now it is C for cat, C for car. Kids again use yellow color and draw D for dog, D for doll. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids now it is F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F, and use blue color. G for God, G for grapes. H for hand, H for helicopter. I for eyes, I for ice cream. Kids now J for joker, J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J, and use black color. Kids again use black color and draw K for kite, K for king. Kids now draw L for lion, L for lemon. Kids again use black color and draw M for moon, M for mango. Kids now draw N for nose, N for nest. The alphabets of N, and use red color. Kids again use red color and draw O for orange, O for octopus. Kids now draw P for parrot, P for penguin. Q for queen, Q for quill. Kids now draw R for rose, R for rice, and use green color. S for sun, S for snake. Kids again use green color and draw T for teacher, T for tiger. U for uncle, U for umbrella. Kids again use green color and draw V for van, V for violent. Kids now W for watch, W for wallet, and use white color. Kids again use white color and draw X for X-ray, X for xylophone. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Kids again use white color and draw Z for zebra, Z for zoo. It's neither numbers. And first is the 1. The numbers of 1. And here is yellow color. Yellow color. O N E 1 2 T W 2. Kids again use yellow color and draw 3 T H R W 3 4 F O U R 4 5 F I V E 5. Kids 9 to 6. The numbers of 6. And here is blue color. Blue color is IX6 7 S E V E and 7 8 E I G H T 8. Kids again use blue color and draw 9 N I N E 9 10 T E and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.